Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Henri-Luc. I just received my brand new Vevor electric griddle. I'm especially excited to unbox it. It's a go. Vevor is a company that designs and sells a wide range of industrial quality products at truly competitive price. So I'm going to unbox my new griddle. We have here a package containing one instruction guide, 2 spatulas, and 2 kitchen brushes. So I will transfer the unit to my counter. The griddle has a device for draining fat into the container below here. The temperature regulator range from 212 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 to 300 Celsius. So I'm going to make some bacon and eggs. I preheated the griddle to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. So we're ready to cook the bacons. It's time to remove some bacon strip. Now I will place the bacon strips there. We cook the eggs. I remove the last strips. I will add salt and pepper. If you are interested in this Vevor Griddle, feel free to click on the company's link in the About page of my YouTube channel. Thus, you will be entitled to a 5% discount on your purchase. I'm ready to place the egg.